All right. So let me talk about deep dive. I came to Santa Fe and took several group classes from Lauren, and then she invited me to be in, I think, the first or second deep dive in 2019. I'm now in my third deep dive. And I can tell you, when she first invited me, I thought, how can I be in deep dive? I've been away from art for years. How do I use oil paint? How do I paint bigger? How do I be in with a group of accomplished artists? How do I find the time? Every single time in my life that I've been held back, it's because of this question, how? And I would just invite you to not worry about how you're going to do it, just do it. Because I've seen such growth in myself in the 3 deep dives I've been in, as well as everyone in my group has just grown exponentially together. And it's not what you think it is. Deep dive is not what you think it is. It's not about learning techniques, although you're going to learn some techniques. It's about, okay, one of the big questions was how will I find my own voice in art? And Lauren really helps you do that. She really helps guide you with different exercises, and the group helps with that, the container of the group. And it takes time. So don't be afraid to just, take something that's a longer term commitment like deep dive and go for it and see what happens.